What's up, guys? Welcome to Aries Moto, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick. This Subaru or BRZ is definitely not easy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I keep calling it Subaru because Subaru is stamped all over the place. And funny story. So whoever stole the corner light or marker light, whatever it's called, broke this little bracket. Okay, so this little bracket is not too expensive. I think it was like $11 or something like that. But at the local dealership, cool guy at the service center helped me out a lot. Shout out to the Windsor Eastway Toyota. Okay, so once you put this, there's a little hole right here for a clip, for a black clip. But until you put this one, you don't even know there's a spot for it right there. So if you're missing this, you're not going to be able to install the marker light. And we bought all the little rivets and everything, and that's needed to install this. So in this video, actually, yeah, while old man is preparing everything, yeah, we have both sides because both sides were missing. So I don't know if somebody broke one of these things when they were taking out theirs or whatnot. I don't know. But there's quite a few parts missing on this car that people were just helping themselves to. And while we are waiting, airbag situation is over. Everything works. Somebody forgot to plug in the driver's side airbag. And when I say someone, that someone is behind the camera. So once we plug that one in, everything is back in working order. I should show you guys. So I'm not just yapping, so I'm actually showing you something. And the OBD2 port wasn't working, and I'm gonna have to clean that. That's just nasty. And OBD2 port wasn't working either. There's a to check other side. There's a 7 amp OBD2, so that was replaced. And bam, look at that. Look at that pretty sight. No check engine, no airbags, nothing, nada. Everything's done. Alright. Okay, put that back, and I'm gonna have to figure out, because every single time you lock the door or you close the doors within like 15 seconds, the whole thing locks. And I tend to forget my keys inside of my car a lot, and I don't have a spare key for that one. So it's gonna be fun. Alright, so old man is preparing the rivet gun. Right there.
Corner like a corner.
There's an edge. Are you sure that doesn't go into the... That doesn't go into the... No? Are you sure? I actually say those rivets and everything was pretty cheap. It was like 20-30 cents or something like that. And it is OEM, so I decided to splurge. Hold on. We have to remove those plastic clips. Okay, so that's done. Snap back into place. Plastic clip. Hole. Like that. So that's nice and nice. Alright, so the corner light is not too shabby. I ended up ordering those on Rock Auto because two of those were $60. It's a TYC company versus one of the dealer was 40 bucks, 40 something dollars. That's a $60 with the shipping and the taxes and everything. And as always, when you're dealing with aftermarket, there's something that's gonna be
Clips.
and we have a corner light. In English. Okay, so this side is done. I have to set up the clips and it's done. So we're just gonna go do the same thing on the other side.